Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. This quote's by Chuck Knox. Always have a plan and believe in it. Nothing good happens by accident. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 39, Nasdaq up 26, S&P's up 10, gold contract flat at $1,293 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents, trading out at $18.17 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.06, trading out at $47 rather than 53 cents a barrel. You get the bond market. The 10-year was down 14 ticks, trading. There it is. Trading out at 129.13, 30-year off 25 ticks at 149.02. King dollar down 249 ticks, trading out at 93.10. The euro up 44 at 115, and the yen trading down 98 at 117.84. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Can you say ABC structure in the way down, folks? That's what we got. Let's take a look at the future market out here, and we'll take a look at the daily number one and see what we're looking at. What we have is this. You came off the high. The high that we're talking about coming off is the 2088. You get down to 2888 that was established on December 30th. You get down into these lows out here, which was last Friday, into the 1970 area. We got higher 2 days. In fact, today was anemic volume, 766 million. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see, number one, you're going to see the volatility continue. We're going to be going after this B point. That B pointer in itself on the December 16th level was building cause to get into the December 16th level. That's what that wants to do. That's a high volume swing low. Bigger yet, though, we're building cause to get into the October 15th swing low of 1805. You got to a higher high today, didn't have the volume, couldn't hold the price. That's where that baby wants to go. We take a look at the SPY, see that correlation inside the SPY. What you have is this. The SPY was absolutely anemic out here today. We had come down on 176 million shares. You went up today on 116 million shares. That 116 million is going against 209 million. So bottom line, SPY, down. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, what we have with the Dow Industrials. Same type of setup inside the Dow. Dow Industrials couldn't get any juice out here today. What's amazing, too, by the way, folks, intraday, if you were out here trading or in front of a computer, what you did see is that intraday, the market itself spiked. That was when the European Central Committee came out and said that they think that they're going to do $50 billion a month in QE. That was the first draft that was out there. We'll see. The announcement's going to be tomorrow morning at 8:30, so you can expect that volatility to continue. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, Dow's off that high of 18,038. You got to a higher high today, couldn't hold price. Dow wants to run down to this 17,241, and I expect you're going to get a lot lower than that. King dollar. Now, King dollar basically is giving us the best clue of what's going to happen tomorrow morning at 8:30. And this is what it is, folks. King dollar today went from a price point of 92.36, this is the dollar index, up to 93.32. On a daily basis, it has light volume, which is saying, okay, you're at a high with light volume, you want to pull back. On the intraday basis, and this is the kicker, what you have is this. You have a high volume swing low at this 92.36 that was left over from this morning when the market was open, okay? So it is really cool inside the aspect of, I suspect that wants to get tested, number one, and we'll see whether it wants to get taken out. That's on the intraday. On the daily, what you have, the number to keep your eye on, folks, on the daily is 92.50 in the dollar. Right now, we're at 93.11. Under that 92.50, you have a failure right across all the indices. We go over to the bond market. We take a look at bonds. What we had out here with bonds today is this. We start with the 10-year bond. Inside the 10-year bond, we Came off the highs out here, and you came off the highs with 1.4 million contracts. That seems like a lot, but it's not, because we've been going up on 1.9 million. So bottom line, the bond market wants to build more cars in order to get to higher price once again. Gold, here we go. Okay, so it's going to be all about gold tomorrow, folks, and the dollar. Gold, well, gold, the dollar in the market, right? Gold, what we have done out here with gold is refusing to back off. We take a look at the, jeez, there she is. We take a look at this contract, and this is what you have. Price-wise, we're at 1293.70. We are pushing, however, with volume. Gold, again, today did 249,000 contracts. That is saying gold wants to run up to the swing point from July 11th. July 11th, that swing point is up there at 1341. So I certainly expect high volatility, all of the above, out here tomorrow morning. American Express, AXP just come out with numbers. We take a look at those numbers. This is what you have. American Express closed at $87.67. That is trading at 86.37 right now, so it's trading flat out here. American Express, whoa, baby, this is pretty intense. We haven't seen this for a while, meaning that job cuts, folks. American Express says it plans thousands of job cuts. Holy cow, let's take a look at this. So their revenue is $8.52 billion. That was the estimate. They came in with 8.39, so they didn't make their revenue. The one-word news burps that's coming across right now, folks, just that. Okay, so it's not really explaining where all these job cuts are going to come. But the bottom line is that when they put their first bullet point out, the first bullet point is this. The first bullet point is that American Express plans to thousands of job cuts next year. That's a bummer, no doubt about that. FFIV, so that's F5 Networks. FFIV, let's see, we'll put this baby. This baby's getting hammered. Whoops, this year. So FFIV closed at 126. It's trading at 109. Let's see what this has to say. This is, they provide internet traffic management, and they missed estimates this year. Okay, so the estimate revenue was, no, earnings per share was $1.53. They made $1.48. Their revenue estimate was $467. They made $462. This equity, let me put this on a daily for a second. This equity's getting smoked. Oh, yeah. Okay, so if you want to see, you're already back inside the lower range, which is the 125. Once you get back inside 125 with FFV, what do you think's sticking out there, folks? What do you think's sticking out there? The October swing low, 106.86. That's where it's going after. BMRN, I think it's Broadcom, right? Oh, no, it's Bio Margin. This is a biopharma company. BMRM. Let's see what this company does. So, BioMarlin Pharmaceutical, that closed at $96.14. That's trading at 93 right now. Numbers go like this. Oh no, they're going to offer stock. They're not coming out with numbers. They're offering stock. Okay, so they get stock. That's coming out. Bottom line, we go back to the S&P for a second. What you can expect out here tomorrow morning: wide price spread, volume, volatility. The SPY itself, we're at 203.08 right now, and I expect the whole news at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, folks, is going to be all about pounding this bottom out at December 16th, and we'll see whether we get the expansion of volume. What we had out here today is that you got to a higher high, didn't hold price, pulled back. eBay, let's go take a look at eBay. eBay just come out with numbers, see what eBay is saying. eBay closed out here at 53.38, and eBay right now is trading at, Let's see. Whoops, she's getting hammered. 57.5. We'll give you those numbers as soon as we come back with eBay. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Don't forget, folks, this is the last 2 hours that you can get the special on my newsletter. You can get it for free for a month. You can get my book free, and I'm doing a workshop at 6 o'clock tonight, right on the front page of TFNN. But come right back.